Hey loves, welcome to my channel, and yes, thank you so much for tuning in today. I had the honor to do Shiloh's hair and I loved it. Did this simple hairstyle using rubber bands. I also did a flat twist in the middle, but you won't see much of that because I had no one manning my camera, and while concentrating on the hairstyle, I had no idea the actual twisting is not visible, so you have to forgive me for that. Anyways, to the main part of the hairstyle. I did not blow dry hair after washing, as you can see. I don't blow dry hair for a hairstyle unless it's completely necessary and the client is also okay with it. I part the hair first into the sections I will be banding it in. For the front sections, I banded each section first before joining them together. I did the back sections a little bit differently, and you will see in just a bit exactly what I did. For the products, I used the Natural Organics range to wash and condition the hair, and the gels for their parts, I am using Jabuston, Invisiwax, and Dax Black Gel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for your support on this channel. I really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and share this video with anyone you may think that will benefit from the content that I share on my channel. Please do share my channel. I really appreciate that already. Thank you so much. And yes, we are hitting 100,000 subscribers very soon, and I am so excited about that. That milestone is very close, and I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it. It is very close, and I have you guys to thank. So thank you so much. Now I'm banding them together to join the sections, and that's for the front section only. I do exactly the same on the other side in the front. The back sections, I started from the back. After doing the first section, I fed it into the next section and banded them together like this. This way, I'm only using one rubber band for a section, and I think it is much faster. Which method of banding do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Shiloh is on a no added hair challenge with her mom, and it kind of warmed my heart that I inspired them to do the challenge after I did it last year, and I think so far she's doing very well. So we are not adding more hair for length or volume. We are working with hair on hair, and I think that's beautiful. Now I join the front section together with the back section into a side puff or pom-pom, and do the same on the other side. That's it. That's all from me today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. God bless you. Bye. I'm glad you like it. With your own hair, baby.
Yes. It'll be longer the next.
Oh yeah, you should, because you've got nice